Hello, this is Dave, W7UUU, looking at my noise situation on 160. It's not as bad as it is when it rains. It's not raining tonight, but we're still significantly over S9. There's our FT8 reference. So the antenna right now is configured in vertical mode. So it is about 100 feet high, 150 foot across the top. Feed line is shorted. I'm on the single wire input of the Kenwood manual tuner, and have a very nice SWR. So I'm dialed in, I think, pretty well. Very good loading on the antenna. So that's what it's like working as a vertical. And I have completely, it's running on a battery right now. I actually haven't even put it back on the supply yet, but I completely shut down all power panels in the whole compound.